Good morning, everybody. Day is moving day. Mason here. See, I don't look short next to you until we get on camera, and then I'm like, let me show you the way the place looks right now. So our Deadpool shrine is still here. I don't know where we're gonna put this stuff, but I'm gonna miss this. Pantry is pretty much gone. Fridge is cleaned out besides of what we're gonna keep. We've cleaned pretty much everything in the sunroom besides obviously the plants and stuff. We have a Goodwill pile, a pile that I'm giving to my brother. All of our film gear in this box. Planning on renting a U-Haul a little bit later today, but first oh my gosh, it's so bright right now. I'm gonna miss these windows, oh my god. But first we're gonna go eat, and then we're gonna go clean the new apartment, which is pretty much clean already, which is a refresher from this place because it was disgusting here. The other place is pretty clean, but we're still gonna just kind of wipe over everything again just to be on the safe side. Maybe clean the bathroom again, and then we're gonna start moving everything. It is just Chase and I today because it's a Thursday, which is so random in the week, but we're trying to get out of here because they want to charge us again, and we don't want that. And technically we don't have a lease here anymore because we never re-signed, and so we're here without a lease, so they shouldn't charge us for anything, and if they do, but they can't, so they shouldn't. Anyway, all right, let's go get some food. We're here.
We're here.
And we brought toilet paper, so any bathroom needs can be met.
And vodka.
And we also brought our
bathroom needs.
Oh my god. I just got this mat from Target not too long ago, so I brought this so that we could go ahead and put it up because I'm excited about it and I really want to see it. It's our little secret passageway. This is on a plane. Got this fireplace with like the marble. We're gonna try and put our TV there. I don't know if we can mount a TV here, but we're gonna ask, and if not, we're gonna try and put it on this ledge. Cause the other, like there's a picture of them having the TV here, and we were like, no, we're not doing that, so. Yeah, so this is the living room. And then this is the dining room. We have like a little balcony outside. Just super, super cute. Got a little storage shed over there. This is the kitchen. I really like this little light thing. I think that's really cute. I like that the cabinets are see-through. We've got a bunch of stuff on here right now. Got a little pantry. Cute, cute. Also, the electricity isn't on yet, but we have to wait until 12 today, and then it will be on. Anyway, so we have this area is our laundry room. I'm gonna turn the dining room into our filming space, so I'm gonna have like a little couch here. We can set up here. We'll also film auditions in here. Chase doesn't hit his head on the light multiple times a day. And then this is the master bedroom, which is really nice. We do have a fan in here. I was wondering, I didn't notice it before. I think we're gonna put the bed here, looking this way, and then our TV stuff here. Ooh, that would be so pretty. I love that idea. We should do that, I like that. And then we go in here, this is the bathroom, the skylight, and then we got our shower. Our toilet is separate, which is the best thing that's happened to me since Chase and I started dating. He always kicks me out of the bathroom so he can poop. And then we also have double sinks, which is super nice. We don't have like a closet in here, but we do have one in the spare, and we have all these drawers, so hopefully it'll be enough space for us to put all our stuff. Also, we have a huge closet. Oh my gosh. It's like walk in all the way, and then we have this little shelf. Look how pretty and white the walls are. I freaking love it. I love it, Mike. This is the coat closet. This is our roommate's bedroom. And then he has this bathroom, which is also going to be the bathroom for our guests, which is also very spacious and bigger than our last one. And this is the extra closet, which I will probably be storing things, to be honest. I'll document you doing it, man. I'll document it. You're getting it documented. There's one right here. It's dead bugs. You're getting the dead bug. Thank you, bye. All right, day, I don't even know. Guess who's here? It's Mama. Yay! She's helping me clean. This kitchen is about to be mama-fied, mama clean.
Mama clean.
Mama clean's a different kind of clean.
Different level.
So we are doing that right now in the kitchen. My dad is actually trying to paint behind this refrigerator because it looks strange. That wasn't there. It's just like black, and they stopped painting it here. And we're like, what's going on? So we found the paint. Paintbrushes are complete crap. That's why it looks weird. So he's going to buy new paintbrushes right now. Also going to get a few other things. Mama is cleaning with me in the kitchen. Chase is putting up his clothes and talking to his mom on the phone because they're also coming. This is what the place looks like right now. I just had an audition that I filmed before they got here, so that's why all this is out. But we have the couches, the TV, we got the dining room table in. Out here is pretty much just the tree. And then this is our bedroom, still kind of a mess. I put some of my clothes up though. Here's the closet. So it's looking good. He started moving his stuff in right here. My stuff is here. So yes, so yes. Okay, update us on the kitchen, Mama.
Well, it's getting there. We're starting to get the stuff in order. And
Show it off. Show off your work. Show off your work.
we got the black in here, so it displays. We're gonna get a nice plate to go up there, so you can, or 2 small plates or something, so to display. And we're getting all the
Show the fridge.
drawers together and getting the fridge. Got the fridge all.
Got the
ready
fridge.
and got it all wiped down.
Not the freezer yet.
In and out. Everything's done in the kitchen. Pretty much set sweeping and mopping the floor.
Yes, we got the apples.
Yeah, then we got the green little.
We got Fred
back
here.
there.
We got the green back there to match the apples, and then the hair of Fred. Got the little housewarming present up there.
That's cute up there.
The mom got me a housewarming present too. Look at what Mama got me. Ah! I'm so excited. Got me. Oh my god, that's so cute. The little mini ones. Ah. Nice.
Lemonade.
Lemonade. Lemonade. Lemonade. The bugs get in here because they're looking for food.
Oh.
Yeah. Look at that. There we go. That was strange.
Yeah.
Yes?
Is this a pig?
Yeah, it's a pin.
Oh.
Hey guys, so I was editing the video yesterday and I realized that I never actually ended it. So this is me ending it months later. It's been a bit. But yeah, this is kind of what the place looks like right now. We got a new couch. So anyway, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day and thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.